I think we do have to decrease emissions. We do produce greenhouse gases. The solutions to decrease them are there. We need to apply them as new approaches come on the market. They need to be applied. We need to move to as low carbon as possible farming, and I think there are technical solutions to that. We need to design into the infrastructure of our farms increased resilience to extreme events. Is that concrete pads? Is it putting up shelters? You guys are more skilled in that area than I would ever be. You're going to have to enhance the biosecurity because you're going to see more frequent outbreaks of disease, and you're going to have to be able to cope with them in your farm. However, at the same time, you'll have more forage, but you'll have to improve how you use that forage, both in being able to feed it out over the winter when the land simply is too wet to put animals on, which will become an increasing problem, but also in the summer where we may have to start engaging in buffer feeding because it's so dry we simply don't get grass growth at certain times. And finally, we do need to start thinking about novel protein sources because importing protein will become challenging.